So, hey, what's up, YouTube? So, check this out. I know this is not the perfect view to actually see all this stuff, but hopefully this would be enough or somewhat. But what I got going here is an upgrade that I'm going to be doing today. So, let's go ahead and start this process. I'm going to be taking out this motherboard and be replacing it with something new. So this is a part series that I've been doing as for the holiday season. So what we got going here is a segment called What My True Love Gave to Me. And as you guys can see, I am taking apart all this good stuff. Now, this is a gaming rig that I built about 4 years ago. I decided to upgrade little by little. I recently upgraded my power supply. And that came out pretty easy. So as you guys can see, what I have going here is my 3870K 6550D APU processor with the Asus F1A75V Pro. As you guys can see somewhere right there on the bottom, there goes the title of it. This is from Asus, and this is a little bit obsolete now for my taste. So what I'm going to be replacing it with is this here. This is the A88X Pro by Asus. And I'm going to be adding this here too, the A107850K by AMD. And this is going to be the Calvary chip that actually will boost my gaming 29% with the new Omega drivers. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get this going. So what we got in the box is the motherboard. Be taking out. Also in the box comes two SATA cables, the back piece that will actually go to it, and the extender bits. This is for audio and the USB if you guys need it, but in my case I won't. So let me go ahead and open this and put this in the back of my PC. Now this is pretty good because it comes insulated. This part here is pretty much insulated. Compared to what I had before, it's not really that insulated. But it looks pretty cool. Alright, this is before and this is the after. As you guys can see, the holes pretty much look the same, except that here I have two extra USB ports. And what's good about it is that this time Asus gave us a USB BIOS flashback. In this one, it doesn't really have a USB where you can actually attach a USB drive with your BIOS files and are able to update it on the fly. So this port here is pretty neat. Okay, now that I got that in, secure, time for the mother of all boards. Now remember, ladies and gents, do not touch the circuits or any of the sorts because you will short it out. And since I have pajamas on, they're made out of goules, or it's made out of material that will cause static electricity and will end up ruining your board. And then you're gonna have to RMA it just so they can actually send you back a new one. All right, so let's go ahead and put some screws in. Now, what I'm going to be adding onto this board as well is 16 gigs of RAM. They're 4 gigs each. So I have 4 sticks of 4 gigs each of RAM, and this is going to add up to 16 gigabytes. Then I'm going to be overpowering this motherboard on. And on top of that, I will be adding all over again my R7 265s onto it as well. So it's going to be the mother of a beast. Alright, let me get this done quick because it seems that my battery is dying. Oops. Wow, that was pretty smart. Nice, it's there now. Okay, what doesn't come with this is screws. So do note that you're gonna have to be recycling your screws that you have on. Okay, I'm gonna remove now the babies that I've been waiting for my whole life.